Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Windhawk on your Windows computer, especially if you want the offline installer version. Now, this is very important because the version on the official website is an online installer. That means when you run it, it still needs internet access to download the main files. So if you're trying to install Windhawk on a computer without internet, that method simply won't work. But don't worry. I'll show you the correct way to get the full offline installer that you can even copy to a USB drive and use on other PCs. All right, let's get straight into it. First, open your browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, any browser at all. In the search bar, type Windhawk and press Enter. You'll see the official Windhawk website appear at the top of the results. Yes, that is the correct site, but remember, it only provides the online installer. So instead of downloading from there, we're going to get the offline version from GitHub. Windhawk hosts both the online and offline installer files on GitHub. So once you're on the GitHub page for Windhawk, look at the right-hand side of the page. You'll see a section labeled Releases. Now here, you'll see the latest version available. At the time of recording, the latest release is version 1.7.3. Click on that version number, and it will take you to the release details page. On this page, you'll see several files listed. You'll notice one installer file with a smaller file size. That's the online installer. But if you look carefully, you'll also see the offline installer file. And you'll notice something very clear. It has a much bigger file size, around 142 megabytes. That larger file is the one we want. Go ahead and click on it, and the download will begin. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes. Just wait for it to finish downloading completely. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If you see the User Account Control prompt, just click Yes. The installation wizard will appear. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Click Next, accept the agreement, and complete the installation. And that's it. Once installation is finished, open Windhawk. The interface will load, clean, simple, and very easy to understand. On the Home tab, you'll see all your installed mods. You can enable or disable any mod using the toggle switch. You can click Details to configure a mod or remove if you want to uninstall it. If you want to install new mods, just click on the Explore tab. From there, you can browse through available mods and install the ones you like. Now, here's something important to understand. Windhawk itself can be installed completely offline using the offline installer we downloaded. However, downloading new mods requires internet access. So if you plan to use certain mods offline on another computer, make sure you download those mods first while connected to the internet. And that's it. Simple, practical, and very useful, especially if you manage multiple computers or work in environments without internet access. If this tutorial helped you, kindly give this video a like and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more Windows tips, tricks, and powerful customization guides. I'll see you in the next one.